It is chaotic nearby the Thames here at BBC Television Centre. Storm Alan just hit the UK and is now flooding parts of London. We are now trying to remain on air, but due to some circumstances, this broadcast might not last long, as Storm Alan will hit Television Centre.
Storm Alan is now reported to be in London. Please reach higher ground. Water currents is to be expected to be around 18 metres high. It is important to remember that safety must always go first, and safety measures will be put on. In this matter, England is now officially temporarily under